Hello, my name is Pepa Zeman and today I have the honor to present the latest addition to our wide range of purple trading tools, the Purple Gap Indicator. This indicator is suitable for every trader, whether working on live accounts or testing strategies in a demo account. The Purple Gap Indicator is designed to provide traders with a clear visualization of strong zones where the market has shown a significant imbalance between supply and demand. It employs a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes historical data to identify significant price gaps. These gaps occur when the market moves rapidly in one direction without significant trading in the opposite direction, indicating strong momentum or reaction to news. Once the indicator identifies these gaps, it highlights them on the chart, enabling traders to quickly and efficiently identify potential turning points or breakthroughs. The Purple Gap Indicator is intended for a broad spectrum of traders, from beginners to seasoned veterans. It helps traders pinpoint areas of strength where the market may continue to trend or reverse, using visual signals to easily identify key zones on the chart and adjusting trading strategies accordingly. These gaps often presage the next price movement as the market tends to fill these gaps. Thus, the indicator serves as a crucial tool for enhancing trading results and for more efficient market position management. Unlike many traditional indicators, which often lack or are based on overbought and oversold levels, the Purple Gap Indicator directly targets areas of significant market movement. The strong supply and demand zones revealed by the Purple Gap are crucial in understanding market dynamics. These zones indicate the presence of substantial trading orders where the market may react vigorously, either bouncing or breaking through. Identifying these zones is particularly useful in setting stop loss and take profit levels, which aid trades in properly managing risk and maximizing profit potential. To install the Purple Gap Indicator on the cTrader platform, follow these steps. Visit the official Purple Trading website and navigate to the Tools section. Click on the Indicators tab and search for Purple Gap Indicator. Download the file and double-click to open it. On a cTrader platform, confirm the installation, then right-click the Indicators tab and select to insert the indicator into the chart. After successfully inserting the Purple Gap Indicator, you can proceed to adjust its settings as follows. Minimum size defines the smallest gap size in pips deemed significant by the indicator. Color sets the color of the indicator for displaying gaps on the chart. Opacity adjusts the transparency of the indicator on the chart. Remove history controls whether the indicator should remove historical data from the chart. Zone area min size pips specifies the minimum size of the area in pips to be highlighted by the indicator. Choose a small value for scalping, and for long-term strategies a larger value is recommended. Break by wicks determines whether the zone calculated should include candle wicks. Up color, down color designs the colors of the indicators for areas resulting from upward or downward price movements. And finally, zone line thickness establishes the thickness of the line the indicator uses to highlight areas. Complete these settings by clicking OK to save the changes. The indicator will then be ready for use with the newly set parameters. In practice, a trader might encounter situations where the Purple Gap Indicator highlights a significant gap zone near a long-term resistance line. Approaching this zone, the trader should look for additional signals indicating a potential trend reversal. Trade entry could be made with the tight stop loss above the gap zone, thus limiting risk and favorably adjusting the risk-reward ratio for taking profit. Traders can also use the Purple Gap Indicator as confirmation for their swing trades. If the trend is upward and the price approaches a gap zone serving as support, a trader may see it as an opportunity to enter a long position. Conversely, in a downtrend, a gap zone may act as a resistance and offer a chance for a short position. Thus, the Purple Gap Indicator marks a turning point in technical analysis by revealing and emphasizing market areas that are often overlooked but are crucially important. By utilizing the Purple Gap Indicator, traders can gain a significant edge and a better understanding of where the market might offer the greatest opportunities. When combined with other analytical tools and indicators, the Purple Gap can help traders achieve more consistent results and better manage their trades. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you many successful trades using the Purple Gap Indicator.